French cuisine has this bad rep for being very complex and filled with cream and butter, but let me show you today a classic French recipe for chicken and vinegar sauce. It's really quite simple. So I've got 6 chicken thighs here with the skin and bone on, and I've melted some butter in a pan, salted and peppered both sides, and now I'll cook them skin side down until they're brown. Then I'll turn them over to cook on the other side and cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 minutes until the chicken's cooked through. Okay, now I removed the chicken thighs to a plate and I covered them with foil to keep them warm. And in the same pan, I'm going to add some garlic cloves and start scraping that around, starting to loosen up the brown bits on the bottom, because I'm also going to add that vinegar. It's red wine vinegar. And some water. And scrape it up, stir it around, let it start to reduce. And then add in about 1.5 cups of Roma tomatoes. They are peeled, seeded, and diced. And we'll cook it until the sauce thickens. Now that sauce is thickened nicely, and I'm going to just pour it right over the chicken on a serving platter. Oh, that's going to be tasty. And you can get this recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, and thanks to Chef Jacques Pepin for the recipe. I'll see you next time.